Hey everybody, I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at SVE's Axle Back exhaust kit designed for the 2018 and newer S550 GTs. SVE's Axle Back is going to appeal to the 2018 and newer S550 owner out there who is looking for a quality axle back without breaking the bank. Out of the box, you'll notice the outstanding workmanship for such a moderately priced kit compared to others in the axle back category. Each muffler is constructed from quality stainless steel to resist corrosion and of course offer years of enjoyment. The muffler itself is a round, straight through design, so it's going to offer a mild rumble at idle and it's going to up just a tad under wide open throttle. Welded to each muffler is a properly placed exhaust hanger and 2.5-inch Mandrel bent tubing. The tips are polished and also feature the popular dual wall design. Looking a little closer at the tips, you'll notice that they are offset, and this will ensure that the tips flow nicely with the rear valence. The provided tips will slide over the outlet piping on the muffler and are secured with 2 of the provided 4 clamps. As far as kit components go, you'll get a driver and passenger side muffler, driver and passenger side tip, and of course 4 clamps to get it installed onto the car. Like I mentioned before, this SVE Axle Back exhaust kit will fit 2018 and newer S550 Mustang GTs. For those of you that aren't aware, all S550 axle backs require cutting of the factory intermediate piping for installation. Don't freak out, as this is really easy to do. Support the car with a lift or get it as high and as safe as you can if you're going to be working off of jack stands. You'll want to use a straight edge and base your mark on the outside edge of the rear sway bar bushing. Place a mark on both the driver and passenger side intermediate piping. Go ahead and support one of the mufflers and wrap the tips with a towel so you don't damage the rear valence. Then you can go ahead and cut the piping with an appropriate tool. Remove the 2 13mm bolts from the muffler hanger. Dislodge the locating tab from the frame rail and then carefully remove the muffler from the car. Transfer the hanger and install it onto the new muffler in the correct orientation. Position one of the included clamps over the factory intermediate pipe and then slide the muffler piping into place. Hook the hanger into the frame rail and then reinstall the 2 13mm bolts. Position another clamp over the tips and then slide the tips over the muffler. Ensure that they are even and then tighten the clamp. Go ahead and tighten the muffler to intermediate piping clamp. The nut on these clamps is 15mm. You can repeat these steps for the other side and then you're good to go. Well, I'm pretty sure you guys know what happens next. Let's get the car outside and check out a few before and after sound clips. Wrapping things up here, guys, if you're on the hunt for a mild mannered axle back and you don't want to spend a ton of money in the process, then you should definitely consider this kit from SVE. Of course, later on down the road, you can always add a resonator delete or a set of long tube headers and really open up the exhaust system for even more sound. Keep in mind, because of the round, straight through design of this muffler, you may experience some drone at cruising speeds. But hey, that's the nature of the beast, right? For more product information, availability, and pricing on anything that you may have seen in the video, be sure and reference LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on those notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.